mathematical induction part 1, and there will be one more part of this principle of mathematical induction. And I know that I said I will be making a video about integration, but friends, integration is a very vast topic, and principle of mathematical induction will be covered in 2 parts completely, and it is a very important topic also. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's get started with today's lesson. Okay friends, now let's understand deeply what is actually principle of mathematical induction. Okay, let's say you have been given, right, example 1, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus n. Okay, you have been given the series and you are told that the formula for this is n plus 1 by 2. Okay, and you are asked to prove this statement by the principle of mathematical induction. Okay, so now let's see how to do it. Okay, so I am writing all the steps here and all the statements here. The statements I write, you have to copy that two statements in exam or test, because this chapter is whole about statements and your presentation only. Okay, so your first statement would be let 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot dot, means whatever is your LHS, you have to write it here, n be principal statement. Okay, it's Bn. Then you have to write for n is equal to 1. Okay, means we are taking n to be 1. Okay, we are taking n to be 1 means we have to take the first term. If we were taking n to be 3, we would be taking the first 3 terms, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, we are taking n to be 1, so we will be taking the first term, which is what here, 1. Okay, so 1. Now wait, P1, because here it is Pn and so we took n to be 1, so it's P1. Okay, which is equal to what? The first term of the LHS, which is 1. Now let's substitute n to be 1 in the formula, and what it gives? 1 multiplied bracket 1 plus 1 by 2. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So like this we can write. Now 1 into 2 is what? 2, and 2 by 2 will be what? 1 only. Okay, so we can see that here is also 1, and by the formula it's also coming 1. Okay, so means we can write the statement is true for n is equal to 1. Okay, so now comes the main part, so let's focus on it. Now we are going to write another statement, which would be let k be true for some natural number k. And friends, one thing I forgot to write in this statement was that here n belongs to a natural number. Okay, I forgot to write it here, but in the question it will be written only. Okay, and so this statement would be let pk be true for some natural number k. Okay, so you can notice here that I lettered my LHS to be what? Pn, but here I am writing p in bracket k. So what is the difference between this and this? Everyone would say that I replaced n with what? K, right? What is the difference between this and this? I just replaced n with k. Okay, so means wherever in this equation, this whole equation, there is an n, you will be replacing it with a k. Okay, so let's do it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus k, because here was an n, so we replaced it with a k. Okay, and in the formula we have to replace it with k. Okay, now we are letting this to be true. Okay, so now we will be writing, now we shall prove pk plus 1 is also true. Okay, so now what is the difference between p in bracket k and k plus 1? Okay, everyone would say that I replaced k with what? K plus 1. Okay, I replaced k with k plus 1. So in this formula I have to replace k with what? K plus 1. Okay, so let's do it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus k plus 1. Let me do a bracket. Is equal to what? I have to replace k with k plus 1 in this formula also. Becomes k plus 1 here k plus 1 and this plus 1 as it is by 2. Okay, now you can also write this as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 k plus 1 is equal to k plus 1 multiplied k plus 2 it will become, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so now pay attention. I can see that I can also write my LHS as like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus k plus 1. And why and how I can write it? See, I know that the term before k plus 1 would be what? It would be k. Okay, and now let me show an example. Okay, like the term before 6 plus 1 is what? 6. Okay, means 6 plus 1 is what? 7, and the term before 7 is what? 6, means the term before 6 plus 1 is what? 6 only. So the term before k plus 1 would be k. Okay, and why did we do so? Because we know the simplification of this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 k is equal to this. Okay, so means the question would be very easy, because if we leave it like this only, we won't be able to simplify these dots. Okay, but we know the simplification of this part, and it is this, so we can substitute it. Okay, so let's do it. And the k plus 1 is as it is equal to the RHS. Okay, now I have to do something. I have to do some simplification so that I can prove my LHS and RHS to be equal. Okay, so now here I can see that I can take out the LCM. Okay, so let me do it. Okay, I can take out the LCM, so let me write the LHS plus, I can take out the LCM to be 2. Okay, so 2 multiplied by k plus 1 and by 2. Okay, this is the LCM, which is equal to our RHS as it is copy. You have to do anything with RHS. Okay, now let's see if I can simplify it even further. Now the simplest way of simplifying this equation, my LHS would be that I take k plus 1 to be common. Okay, so wait, let me write the equation like this. Okay, and my RHS as it is copy. Okay, so now I can take k plus 1 and k plus 1 to be common. Okay, so let me do it. K plus 1 common, and what is left in the bracket? It is k, and then here positive 2 plus 2 and by 2 as it is, and my RHS also as it is. Okay, so friends, I can say that my LHS is equal to my RHS. So means I have proved the statement. That means I've proved my statement that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 n is equal to n bracket n plus 1 by 2, where n belongs to a natural number, is true for every natural number when n is a natural number. Means this statement is true, and I have also proved it by the principle of mathematical induction. Okay, so now you have to write hence proved. Question is done. Okay, so friends, now let's see the second question. Okay, so let me see what's the second question. Okay, example 2. Okay, the second question says 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dot 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 3 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to n minus 1 by 2. Okay, so I have to prove this statement. Okay, by using principle of mathematical induction, and n always belongs to a natural number. Okay, so now let's see how can you do it. So what is the first step? You have to let the LHS to be principal statement. Okay, let 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dot 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 3 raised to n minus 1 be principal statement. Okay, now you have to write here for n is equal to 1. Okay, means here n is equal to 1, so it would be what? P here 1, because here n, so we replace n with 1. Okay, is equal to, now n is 1, so means you will be taking the first term. If n was 2, you would be taking 1 plus 3. Okay, now but n is 1, so we will be taking the first term, which is 1. Now let's substitute n to be 1 in this formula also, which gives us 3 raised to 1 minus 2 by, minus 1 here, by 2, which gives us 3, that is 3 minus 1, it is 2, 2 by 2, which is 1, means now 1 is equal to 1, right? So means this statement is true at n is equal to 1, okay? The statement is true for n is equal to 1, okay? So now the next statement would be, let pk be true for some natural number k, okay? So means wherever in the equation there is an n, you will be replacing with what? K. Okay, so let me do it. Okay. Okay, now we are letting that this statement is true. We are letting it, okay? So now we have to write, now we shall prove pk plus 1 is also true, okay? So now wherever in the equation there was a k, we will be replacing it with k plus 1. 1 plus 3 square plus dot 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 3 k plus 1 minus 1 was as it is, so it will get cut, is equal to in the formula also. Okay, now let's simplify it further. 1 plus 3 square plus dot 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 dot. Now what would be before 3 raised to k? It would be 3 raised to k minus 1. Okay. Now we know the simplification of this part. It would be what? 3 raised to k minus 1 by 2. Okay. And plus 3 raised to k as it is. And my RHS is also as it is. So now I can take out the LCM. Okay, so let me do it. 3 raised to k minus 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3 raised to k by 2 is equal to 3 raised to k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So now I can see that I can take out 3 raised to k common. So let me do it. What is left here? Okay. It is 1 plus 2 and minus 1 by 2 is outside. Okay. And this is also this. See, I just moved minus 1 by 2 out to just take out 3 raised to k common, okay? But if you solve it, that will be back to again. So now I can simplify it with 3 raised to k, multiply it 3 raised to 1, okay? By 2 and minus 1 by 2 as it is out. Which gives us that 3 and 3 are the same basis. So means the power will get add is to k plus 1, okay? And minus 1 is also as it is by 2. Okay, so means I have proved that my LHS and RHS are equal. Okay, so means I have proved my statement. So my last statement would be hence proved. So friends, if you really like my video, if it really helped you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.